Welcome to a new episode of Math Arctic. In this video, circle is given, O is the center of the circle, length of line segment OC is 4, where C is the intersection of OC and chord AB, length of AC is given as 7, and CB is 13. The question asks to find the length of the radius in the circle. To solve this question, I'm going to use one hint. In an isosceles triangle, ABC, where the lengths of sides are equal, the median drawn is starting from the angle that is formed by these two sides is also a altitude. So this forms a 90-degree here. So what we know here, this is the median and also the altitude. So let's see how we can use this hint in this problem. If I connect O to A, this is basically the radius, and if I do the same thing for connecting O to B, we also have radius here. Now if we use the hint which says to draw the altitude and at the same time median, we're gonna divide AB into two equal parts. So if AB has the length 20, the intersection point, we can call it maybe D. DB is gonna be 10 and AD is gonna be 10 as well. So I will write down here which is 10, and also the remainder part of this part is also 10. So if this is 10 and this is 7, this CD is gonna be 3. So I'm gonna write 3 here. Now we see that we have a right triangle here, and in this triangle we have 4, 3, and we don't know this one. We can apply Pythagorean theorem, which says 4 squared is equal to 3 squared plus, let's say this is x squared, and from here we have 16 is equal to 9 plus x squared, therefore x squared is 7. So this is something that we will use. Now that we have the length of this side, we have another right triangle here that we can use, and I'm gonna also draw that in this side of the page. So this is gonna be O, B, B. We have here square root of 7, and this is R, and this is 10. So apply the same theorem here, is R squared is equal to 10 squared plus square root of 7 squared, which is 7. And R squared becomes 107, and R becomes square root of 107. Yeah, this is the end of this video. There are also other ways to solve this problem. If you know a second solution for this problem, please share your solution in the comment section below. Thank you.